Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you PPE's Firewall Insulator for the Duramax trucks. Let's talk a little bit of redneckery here. Now, you 01 to 05 Duramax guys, and I don't own an 01. Guess what? I tell you what, I'm going to lead the conversation. I'm going to be the first one in the room. Everybody raise your hand if you tore out your stock Firewall Insulator on your 01 to 05 Duramax truck. I did. I pulled it out on the side of the daggone road, threw it away, whatever. PPE has got our firewall insulator that they come up with here. This is an inexpensive upgrade. Check it out. We've got got an install video on this, got a product video on this. Get down here in the comments, tell us about when you pulled your firewall insulator out, chunked it over the side, and went with a bare firewall in your Duramax truck. PPE has come up with a better firewall insulator for you Duramax guys. This one in particular that we're going to show you today, this is for the 2001 to 2005 Duramax trucks. I wanted to talk about this just a little bit. As a Duramax driver, I own an 01. I thought one of the cheapest and most chintzy things that we dealt with in that truck was the firewall insulator. On my OE one, I think I had my truck maybe 3-4 years before mine started to deteriorate and just started to fall apart. And you know, even though it's fire resistant material, you see that type of stuff in the fiberglass that falls out of that, and it's a little bit concerning. PPE has come up with a solution to that in this firewall insulator that they've come up with. Now, this is a really nice unit. This goes the length of your firewall, and you can see the cutouts that are in this. This is cutouts for any of the fixtures that are along the firewall. This goes around that. So this isn't a universal firewall insulator kit that you got to cut out yourself. PPE has made all the cutouts for you. They've put stainless steel grommets in this for you. So for an OE fit, really nice piece. Now, this is part number 149000105, and again, this fits the 01 to 05 Duramax trucks. This provides heat and a sound barrier from your engine compartment into the cab of your truck. This is going to dampen a lot of the sound, and it's going to keep a lot of heat coming from the engine and from the engine bay out of the cab of your truck. Now, this is silicone fiberglass on the back of this material here, and this is silica shell on the outside of it. It's got PPE's logo and PPE's badge in the left hand corner of it up here. The filling on this is ceramic fiber insulator here, so all fire resistant materials, and it is got a pretty good amount of padding in it, so it is going to do a very good job on your sound dampening qualities. Now, this edge of this has got a stainless steel wire edge, and it's merrowed around the edge of this that seals all of this in, so it loops around the edge of it and just makes for a real clean edge on it, so you don't have to worry about any of the interior of this falling out or fraying out. Really good stuff. This can be installed with the engine in the truck. So if you guys you just want to install it and get rid of your old cheap one from Chevrolet or GMC, you can totally slide this one right in. This is a really nice and inexpensive upgrade if you have got the engine out of the truck doing anything on it. If you're doing builds or whatever, definitely suggest doing this on the truck. Even if you're doing a turbo install or something like that, you got a little bit better access at that time, get one of these PPE firewall insulators. You will not be disappointed in this. This is a really nice little upgrade thing. Sometimes stuff we don't think about, companies like PPE, they do a good job of identifying failures that we see in the OE trucks and fixing them and putting a better product on the market. We are going to have an installation video for this. You can click down here somewhere, I don't know where Jim's going to put it, that will get you to the installation video, and we're also going to have another link down here that's going to get you the cart where you can purchase this for you 01 to 05 Duramax guys if you want one for your truck. If you got a question about PPE's firewall insulator or any other PPE products, just give us a call. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching this product video.